Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where I'm doing another summer vegetable, dilly beans. These are spicy garlic dilly beans. You can make them plain or you can stick all kinds of stuff in them. I put garlic. I crushed some garlic cloves, just some whole garlic cloves. I added some red pepper flakes, some smoky peppercorns, dill, and the brine. I'll have the recipe for the brine on my blog. These are naturally fermented in salt water. There's no vinegar in here. I don't like vinegar pickles. If you like vinegar pickles, go for it, but I prefer the slow version. This took about 8 days to ferment to my taste, and I will They're so good. They're really garlicky and spicy and fermented, which is kind of sour, but not as sour as vinegar. And you still get that that fresh green bean taste because you don't cook them before you put them in. As always, whenever you're going to pickle something like this, you have to make sure your jar is sterilized. All the equipment that you're going to use needs to be sterilized in boiling water. And then you have to check it every other day or so. Sometimes you have to burp the jar to let the gases from fermentation out, or you'll have a mess. It's not likely to explode, but it will swell up and leak and make a mess. So it's good to put these in bowls while you're letting them ferment. And of course, the warmer the weather, the quicker they ferment. These are good on their own. They're good with any kind of pickled vegetable platter. They're just so yummy. And a great way to use up your summer beans, because summer is green bean season too, especially if you grow your own. You're probably going to have a lot, and you're going to want to know what to do with them. This is one thing you can do to preserve them for the winter. Pardon me, the spice is getting to me. I will have the recipe on my blog, and I will link it in the description. I will link to the previous video. I also link to my entire video catalog page in case you want to browse. And I link to my community tab just to make it easier for you to visit, because I am posting regularly, but I don't think hardly anybody is seeing it. I don't think YouTube notifies people very often of what's going on the community tab. So, yes, regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Regular community tab posts, Monday and Friday. Thank you for watching, especially watching till the end. You can see all the dill in the top of the jar. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll see you later, guys.